Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. So as you know that April Fool Day is coming and it's a good time to prank your friend. So for that I have developed this website called AI Cross Analyzer. So all you need to do is you need to send URL of this website to your friend and let them know that a new quantum matchmaking algorithm tool just arrived on market, which is basically anonymously going to calculate compatibility using quantum matchmaking algorithm. So what your friend going to do is basically going to provide his name. So let's say Rohit, and then he will provide his crush name and would like to know how compatible his crush is. So let's say his crush name is Aditi. So he'll put that and click on deep scan match, and that's going to show you this beautiful scanning, warning emotional overflow detected, error 404, and then this critical error. Your friend going to panic and would like to click on cancel sending, but no, that's not an option. And finally it's going to show you this April Fool. Gotcha, your secret is safe with me. And what it's going to do is it's going to also send a mail directly to your email ID, and it's going to show you your friend's crush name. So that's how you'll be able to know your friend's crush name. So cute, isn't it? Let's see how you can build and deploy this type of website, and you can share this with your friend and you can prank them. So for that, first you need to go to our Geeky Script GitHub account. Here you need to go to repositories and you will get this project called AI Cross Analyzer. So you need to go to that project and you will get this file called index.html. So you need to open that file. So this is the code, the entire source code. So this is what we are going to deploy. So for that, open a new tab and just simply type age1 pages drop. Hit enter. Just go to the first link. This link I am going to provide right in our video description. Here I need to go to this paste code tab and to paste your code over here. So just go to my code set, that project that I have just now showed you. Just copy this entire code set. See, copied. Now you go to your age1 pages drop again and right click and paste this entire source code. Now here you need to do Ctrl F and just type Gmail. As you type that, it's going to locate this place over here. This is where you need to put your very own email ID. So I'm going to provide my email ID. You need to put your very own email ID over here. And after that, click on Start Deployment. So that's going to start immediately uploading and going to deploy this entire project. Whatever steps that I have showed you, you can repeat that exact same process on your phone as well. So just paste that entire code and you find and you replace that with your very own email ID. And you can see that it is rightly deployed. So our deployment is successful. But you can see that it is telling it will be live for just an hour. We don't want that, right? We want it to be live forever. So for that, you need to click on the sign up for free, and there you go. And now it's going to be live forever. So as you click on this link, AI Crush Analyzer. So here your friend will be providing his name. So let's say Rohit, and then we'll be providing his crush name, which is Aditi, just for an example. And we'll click on deep scan match. So that's going to show you this beautiful scanning. And then critical error. So your friend going to start panicking and would like to click on cancel sending, but that's not at all an option. And finally, bingo, April Fool. Gotcha, your secret is safe with me for now. But seriously, maybe you should just tell Aditi how you feel. So nice, isn't it? And the mail will be sent directly to your email ID and you'll be able to know your friend's crush name. So nice, isn't it? Please do check out my other videos, and also don't forget to check out Buy Me a Coffee page. So here on shop you'll get all these different projects you can see. Most of these projects are for Valentine website. So you can buy these projects and you can share these with your love. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel Geeky Script and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.